overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna
y'all, welcome back to another vlog. I finally made it to Texas. I'm at my best friend's house right now. Earlier we were just working and getting settled in. Now we're about to go out. We're going to two spots. She told me the name, but I forgot because it was just too much to say. But we about to go out. We look good. Like, we look really good. I got my nose cuffs in. I said nose cuffs, huh? I'm high. I said nose cuffs. Okay, I got my ear cuffs in from Shein. They're so cute. I have one on this side too. I'm about to show you guys what I got on. I'm about to show you guys what she has on, y'all. We just look too cute. It's been a minute since I got dressed up and got really cute, and I'm just feeling myself right now. So I'm about to show you my best friend. I think she's in the kitchen right now. She should be coming any second. All right, so this is what we have on. I have on this black slit dress. It's hugging your girl in all the right places. Period. Bestie, flowy top, period. Chest out. Don't play with her. Period. Looking good. Looking how we want to look.
Little itty bitty committee.
Period. You know, big chest Bisha over here. We about to go out. Yeah, we're going to catch you guys at the spot that we go to. Don't worry, I'm going to have my camera all night. Because this trip, I'm going to vlog everything. Because Chicago trip, I got 1 day of footage and was on my ass for the whole trip, y'all. We were so drunk. We missed so many reservations. Get it. Get it. Period. Get it. We about to go. You want to do karaoke? You want to get drunk and do karaoke? Look how she sounds. Look how she's rap. That's the only way I can do it. So was I. You better sing it, girl. Huh? Okay. Next time you come my way, I know just what to say. Can we talk for a minute? What are you looking at? Loading. Oh.
One time, y'all give it up for Shelby.
She drunk. She drunk.
What you can't.
And the DJ ain't know that.
An iPhone. Tyrone is more than welcome to call collect.
What?
But you can't use her phone.
Oh, is the question.
Y'all, we just finished eating. We are waiting on our lift. We are tired. Like, I don't know what happened to us, but we are grandmas.
Grandmothers.
We was like, we was gonna go to all these places.
Old age just caught up to us.
And I just wanna go home and get in the bed. It's cold out here. Like, it's so chilly.
And a Nigerian, me. That's my name. One of them.
But the food was good. It was a little cold, but it was really, really good.
This shit.
The karaoke was funny as hell.
And
like funny. Who's gonna take pictures and everything? My stomach is hurting. It's all right though. We got, look, I had to count on my fingers. We got 3 more days out here. So definitely gonna take some pictures. And that just means I can go home and take pictures in this. Cause right now, baby, can't get nothing out of me. But yeah, so that's basically our night for the night. We're going to see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, we in the Uber now, headed to Kai. Yeah, we're headed to Kai. It was like, y'all, mayhem, trying to get ready, trying to do makeup, trying to be on time. My shoe was acting up. I done forgot my nose ring again, but we look good. Hopefully we get some good pictures tonight and have fun, because earlier was not in the mood. I had a headache and everything, y'all. And I know y'all like, dang, we seen you at night again. But listen, we got a full day tomorrow and a full day Sunday. Today was just not one of those days. People have to work. We have stuff to do. How far are we?
6 minutes.
Oh, we 6 minutes away. Perfect. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing once we get out of the car.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a.
My name is Andrew. I'll be taking care of you.
Okay, Andrew.
Water's okay to get started for now?
Yes. Thank you.
Good, of course. I know we're kind of just getting settled in over here for now, but take your time.
Now we know what we want.
Okay, what can I get started for you?
Look, oh, I don't even have an appetizer in my house. Like, straight to the food. Straight to the main course.
I have a question.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to decide. Are you able to do like a fried rice on the side? Or is that all it's on?
Unfortunately, I only have one size for that. It's just an entree size.
Okay. What would you suggest if you're really, really hungry?
I mean, the fried rice is pretty good if you're pretty hungry. It's filling, you know.
see 3 bones, but it's probably 2 chopped up. These shits are so small. I waited damn near 30 minutes for this, but I bet they gonna be good. Right now, y'all, we're looking to take some pictures. I already took mine. I'm about to take hers. It's so pretty out here, like seriously. Everything is such a vibe out here.
Bitch, the girls kitchen in London don't look like this.
Honestly. Honestly.
I want to live, you know what? I'm going to make it a park. I'm going to go to one of these apartments and I'm going to live here next year.
Period.
I'm
Manifesting. Look, manifest that shit. But shout out to all the beautiful black women giving us compliments tonight and getting them back. It's just so many beautiful black women out here in Texas, y'all, and I love it. Yeah, boobs is out, ass is out, it.
Out.
Right.
Don't care. Okay.
Don't her. All right. I'm about to take our pictures. Be right back. Ew. Period. Ew. Bro, where's my lip gloss?
We'll be there. 12:15. You said that, but then you're going to be falling asleep.
Well,
Let me do my thing. Support me. And do whatever.
I think that is the problem that everybody is.
I'm in love with the strippers.
she done it, hey. She done it, that pole, and I'm in love with her.
Strippers.
What it says? We can't reach our network right now. Please check your connection. Don't play with me.
Reason being?
Why did they got me on Wi-Fi? Oh, 2 minutes. Thank God I got off that Wi-Fi. We would have been left.
What? No, please, let's be right.
Like, look. Look. Get the gas. I don't know. Oh, he's arriving. What color car are you in? A Kia Optima. You see him? No. I think that's the car. So pretty. Thank you. Oh my God. We up here shooting TikToks. About to
Call the man.
He's right here.
That's him?
Oh no, that's a Benz. Wait.
Ma'am, call the man. Just, okay. I don't play with Ubers.
Sir, are you there?
Hello? I want to do a hands-free.
You have to call him because it's your account. It says I'm calling from a number that's not on my account. I mean, we're actually behind. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's across the street.
All right, across the street.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna catch y'all back at the house or something like that. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Y'all, tell me why she got us going up all these flights of stairs. When we stopped at her floor, I was like, wait. I'm out of breath, y'all. I'm like, wait, isn't this us? And she was like, no, I'm just giving you a little break. No.
This is what dreams are made of.
Child. Right. I'm like, wait, we going up again? I don't remember this in the tour guide. Wait a minute. we home now, y'all. We home now. Good morning, guys. So it's officially Saturday, which means we're trying to be out all day. Right now, we're about to go to the store to make some breakfast. We was gonna eat out, but then we woke up like we woke up like zombies. We was not feeling it. So what I said we supposed to go? We're about to go to the grocery store down the street and make some breakfast and cook. What is cook? We're gonna make some breakfast and cook. We're actually walking there, getting some good exercise, and because y'all, the way we woke up this morning, like seriously, I felt like I did not want to move. She was feeling bad, and I was like, yeah, let's get breakfast, come back, and then do some stuff. Had so much fun last night, even though we had to wait 3 hours to eat, y'all. We went to this restaurant. They told us it was a 3-hour wait. It was worth it, though. The food is so good. The vibe is amazing. That drink, that last drink, was so freaking good and strong. But then it's like when we left, we didn't feel it. So I don't know. We'll be looking for AA meetings soon. I'll catch you guys when we get back because I'm not going to hold this camera while walking to the store. We're not doing that. Not in this Texas sun. Catch y'all when we get back. I wonder if they got the guava pastries. What is this? Looks like too much, but what is it? No, I want some guava. Yeah, they tell you on the side, yeah. Oh, I think they're right here. Please be guava and not something else.
That tastes so good.
Okay, right, that's what I'll be putting them in. Mini turnovers.
Like strawberry, grape, jelly.
I'm trying to see. It's not telling me. Dang. Let's listen to all the bread stuff first. Come on. Oh, it's cherry. What about a cinnamon roll?
Oh, you mean like, after already made?
It's only $169. Do we need it? No. Are we gonna get it? Yes.
Is it open?
No. Well.
Sure.
Hold on.
Oh, they're all like
Nah, this one's closed.
all the way.
Yeah. We don't trust you. Dang, I can't believe they do not have guava. Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. Sausage. Please have Hampshire Farm. It's my favorite sausage. And they do. Yes, sir. 1 or 2. Okay. Boom. Oh. She tried to kill me, y'all.
Sorry.
Oh, she tried to kill me, y'all. We got eggs. Oh, almond milk. Purr. We need almond milk. Good, how are you? Guys, they're getting ready for Christmas. Look at this Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait for Christmas, y'all. And baby, even on our worst nights.
How many turkey wings you need?
2. Thank you.
What else? So, fruit. You need cinnamon? You got syrup? Yeah, you got syrup though? Okay. I'm gonna get the real maple syrup because supposed to go to the club tonight with some friends, but there has been a complete change of plans. We're actually going to go to a wedding instead, an African wedding at that. It'll be my first one. Cannot wait, which I don't mind anyways because I honestly hate going to the club, but it was like so last minute. Her sister, my best friend's sister, invited her to the wedding because she went and did her makeup earlier, and that's basically how that happened. And I'm just ready to go eat some food, drink, dance, enjoy myself. Like right now we're just getting ready. I did my makeup and stuff. She's gonna do her makeup because she just got back from doing her sister's makeup and stuff, so she's getting ready. I'm just sitting here trying to upload my prep with me vlog to YouTube, and then once we get everything situated, we're going to be out the door. I cannot wait to catch footage of this wedding. I just know it's gonna be lit. I just feel it in my heart. It's going to be an amazing time, and I can't wait. We're dressed. I'm about to show you guys what we got on, and then we're gonna head there. We look so freaking good, y'all. Like, even though it's a couple of wardrobe malfunctions, and I barely had anything, right? And I barely had anything to wear to this wedding because all of the outfits I brought was like whole outfits. Okay, it was not giving elegante. Okay, it was not giving that. It was giving very much out in the streets. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys what we got on.
Okay, yeah, there's supposed to be a gate. Yeah, at the it's giving a rich bitch tonight.
Rich auntie.
It's
period.
giving we getting all they monies and the sugar daddies tonight.
Money follow me.
Period. Oh my god.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with me squeeze silicon and real bless. Turn a low breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking.
Y'all can hear me, but good morning, guys. I was supposed to do this intro like outside, but the sun was ruining all types of things trying to record. It's the last day here. We are at Stir for brunch. Let me show you guys. So we are at Stir, and then we're just gonna be out and about after this. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If not, I'm gonna put like a voiceover right here.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so for the belly. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. Get stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed,
So we just got back home. All of my bags are packed. Just called an Uber, about to head to the airport right now. I had so much fun on my girls trip. Cannot wait to come back. I'm going to see you guys either at the airport or at home because I'm a little drunk, I'm tired, I'm hot. So I officially made it back home. I cannot wait to take all this makeup off. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I need to shower. Like I said earlier, I did enjoy my girls trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I'm about to go to sleep. It is 12:45. I picked up my baby. Say hi. He wants to play. He's so happy to be back home. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Turn on my post notifications as well so you'll know when I upload. Good night, you guys. Thank you guys so much once again for watching this vlog. Love you all. Good night.